Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Explore with Suchita. Today I am going to share you Andhra special drumstick and raw mango sambar. Watch complete video without skipping for detailed recipe. Before that, if you are visiting my channel for the first time or if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get latest updates of all my videos. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Now I have taken a cooker. For that I am adding washed and soaked tur dal. Based on the quantity of how much you are preparing, you can use tur dal. Along with that I have added little turmeric powder. Today I have used around 1 cup of tur dal, a small cup. And I have used the water which I used to soak for tur dal. Along with that I have added little oil. Now I will close the lid and I will pressure cook it for around 3 to 4 whistles. Here you can see I have taken a raw mango. Today I am using around half raw mango. I am going to cut it. Here I have taken the raw mangoes and I have chopped it like this. And here I have taken drumstick. And even the drumsticks also I have chopped it like this. Now you can see tur dal is almost cooked. Along with this I am adding 1 chopped tomato, few onion, and chopped raw mangoes, and then chopped drumstick. I am adding little more water. Salt for taste. Now once again I will close the lid and I will pressure cook it for just 1 whistle. And I have taken a 1 pan. For that I am adding little oil, little mustard, little jeera. Now I am going to add crushed garlic, now I will be adding 1 chopped onion, curry leaf. I am going to add 1 red chilli, little hing, now I am going to add very little red chilli powder. Now I will switch off the stove. Now I am going to add freshly prepared sambar powder. Today I am using around 3 spoons. I am adding little tamarind juice. We have used raw mango also. Based on the taste you can use tamarind juice. Little jaggery for taste. Now you can see drumstick is cooked well. Now I am going to transfer the cooked drumstick to this masala. Now we need to allow it to boil. Now I am adding salt for taste. Now you can see it's boiling well. Now I am going to add chopped coriander and I will switch off the stove. Now you can see Andhra style drumstick and raw mango sambar is ready. Now I am going to transfer it to serving dish. And here I am serving it with rice. Now here raw mango drumstick sambar is ready along with rice. Hope so you enjoyed my today's video. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get latest updates of all my videos. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.